Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to add attachments in Google Calendar. First, let's create a new event. You can either click create or directly click on the date that you want. For example, September 27, and select the time. Next, type in your event title, for example, meeting. Then click more options to open the full editor. At the bottom, you'll see the insert link icon and the Google Drive icon labeled Add a Google Drive attachment. Click the Google Drive icon and you can upload a file from your computer or choose one from Google Drive. Once you've added the file, click Save. And now your event has an attachment, and anyone you invite can access it directly from the event details. And that's how to add attachment to calendar events.